a video.
Gosh.
Yeah.
I thought it was a picture.
I'm in two different posing faces.
I saw that.
That is embarrassing.
I'm just doing my little sneaker thing.
Really?
Michael ever made it home? I heard he was laughing.
I
heard that's a crash.
Yeah.
Totally kidding.
No, he didn't. I don't think he's home yet.
You don't think he's home yet? Really?
Oh, he was in Salt Lake City. Yeah, that's like what I heard last.
I heard he didn't even
That'd
go
be fun if he was with someone, but if
Just
he's by himself, like that's
Kind of
weird.
sucks.
He is by himself.
But-
Yeah.
I think wait. I can get in here with you guys.
You're so weird. Okay.
Are you making a video? Yeah. You look so retarded.
Oh, okay.
Jen has to walk.
What if this was like video? Like a
Yeah.
like a what if this was like a
away.
the submarine was like
Are you stoned?
I think it's submarine.
I'm Chris.
Do it. Chris, I think I am.
You don't even know?
No, because okay, no, don't tape it. I can't.
Like all.
Wait, action shot.
You don't get an action shot, Chris. I'm not giving you an action shot.
Why not?
I am a vampire. I am a vampire. I am a vampire. Hurry up. Oh, it's a bird. No, it's a bird. You're made. I know, right? I thought it was smeared makeup. I get that all the time, but yeah. I'm sorry.
I just want a good action shot, okay?
I like that.
I'm not giving him an action shot. Are you recording it?
Yeah, I was actually doing a video the whole time.
I kind of thought that was a picture. I kind of thought I thought you were weird. Is it recording, Chris?
No.
Don't take that. Yeah.
Wait.
Window of opportunity. You missed it.
Aw, damn.
I took my shirt off and I put it back on.
Okay.
What is this? Hey, start barking again.
Random. Everyone's posing.
I'm not gonna look up.
Taking pictures. I'm not posing. I'm refusing to take a picture for him. Stop, this better not be a picture. This better not be a camera either. Prince, stop it! Leave me alone! Guys, no punching, that's not nice.
Don't worry.
No punching unless I'm involved.
That's so creepy.
You're creepy.
You're creepy.
Don't look, I'm naked. Perv, you're still looking. You're so weird. You guys know
Okay.
the little team member right now is in the theater, so I wouldn't be saying
They're probably in the other room while we're spooning the whole time.
like we're watching you guys like peeking in there. I'm like, spoons? Better not on Facebook. I think it's like a video. Oh, breathe.
That's probably what we're gonna name it. Video O Breathe.
Video. Oh, breathe. Breathe during not rehearsal.
Wait. new subject. That's a new subject. That's a good one.
Teachers, please remember to go to the PAT for the exit meeting. This is for the entire